Munoz. Munoz to Albert. Albert for 2 points. Munoz inside. Pass to Albert. Albert with a pull-up jumper. 2 points for Albert. Munoz. Munoz inside. Munoz to Jetro. Jetro for 3 points. Munoz 2 points. Munoz pass to Belisario. Belisario open for 3. Valeriano to Munoz. Munoz to Albert inside. Albert for 2 points. Albert to stolen by Fajardo. Fajardo with a drive. No good. Munoz to Albert for 2 points. Score 34. Foul bola back. Munoz foul by Makosi. Makosi, first team foul, second team foul. Reserve timeout, Renton. First attempt. Good. Munoz, second attempt, no good. Rebound by Albert. Albert with a fadeaway jumper, no good. Rebound by Munoz, good for 2 points. He scored 42-42 points. Score 36-33 in favor of Red Team. Time remaining left 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Munoz for 3 points. Fajardo with the ball again. Fajardo inside, no good. Munoz with the rebound. Munoz inside. Munoz pass to Belisario. Belisario for 3 points. Green, no good. Ronnie with the rebound. Nice. Saved by Ronnie. Munoz inside. Foul. First foul. First team foul. Maya. First attempt, first point, Munoz. Second attempt, point. Score 55-48 in favor of Red Team. Nice play by Pastor Mox. Mox for 2 points. Nice pass to West. West with it behind the back pass, no good. Munoz dribbling the ball. Munoz to Jetro. Jetro for 2. No good. Rebound by Munoz. Munoz dribbling the ball. Munoz inside pass to Ronnie. Ronnie and Jeremiah, no good. Rebound by Munoz. Munoz to Belisario. Belisario dribbling no good. Rebound by Munoz. Munoz inside and one. Score 21-20 in favor of Blue Team. Substitution, Albert out, Mox in. Good attack.